All right, John, here it is. So we've got all the parts and pieces. So let's go through it. So here, of course, you know the body. We've got our loaded body here. Beautiful finish, flawless. Okay. And I've taken the back cover off and checked all the components are there. And let's get this covered up. We'll go over the parts that I'm going to be sending out. So I'm trying to remember, you were talking to me when we were talking about adding, I think it was we're going to do the titanium saddles, but I can't remember. I'll pick that up later. So here are the USA tuners, right? So we've got brand new old stock USA tuners. Heavy duty springs, noiseless. We've got the titanium nut screws, the titanium string clamps. We've got my modified high and low friction modified stacked pot. We've got our kill switch, Tessie. We've got the stacked pot knobs. Okay. Let me see if I can get my hands to work. This is the 6th position selector switch. And then on that, standard selection in the forward position, because you can toggle it forward towards the neck. That'll be the standard 3 positions for your humbucking pickups. We come back, toggle back towards the tail end. And then, of course, we'll do single in the neck. And then single in the bridge. I'm not sure what we should do in the middle there, so we'll talk about that later. This is an extra part that came, to me it looks like an insert for tremolo bar, so I'm going to put it in there because it came with the tuners. Of course, we got some strings, and we've got our inserts for our neck, stainless steel screws. We've got our inserts here, and we've got some extra titanium screws, and that is for the nut. So I'm going to let you decide which ones you want to use, because I do have, if I remember right, 2 sets of these screws. I bought extras just in case something got stripped out. Let me see if I can find the other set we're going through. Here they are. So this should be matching here. These titaniums will match the titanium string holders. This is just an extra set. So you look at them. If you think you want to use these ones for the nut instead of these ones, whichever. But throw the old ones back in the case. The old new ones, the ones you don't use. We've got our titanium Floyd Rose screws and Floyd Rose wrench. We've got our titanium D-tuna screw. Okay, and I have purchased magnetic Allen key holder that goes on the back of the headstock and gets mounted with the tuners. Okay, there's instructions here. It's not hard. They just give you, they're buried under the plastic or the tape. They just give you longer screws, and you'll see they're pretty easy to install. You install them when you install the tuners. So I'm going to get this shipped out in the next couple days and headed your way. I'll let you know when it's in the mail, and have fun, man. You got any questions? Of course, I'm sure we'll be talking. But there it is. I'll be so glad to get this in when you're done with it, and feel free to do whatever you want for a video if you want. And like I said, anything that you guys wind up not using, just throw it back in the case here and send it back when you send the guitar back. I am going to put that extra pot just in case you have any issues with this one. I'll put the extra pot in here, so dual concentric stacked. All right, well, there she is. She's going to be a beautiful guitar. When she's all done, I'll be quite excited to get her in. Okay, There it is, over and out. Well, let's do one more shot of this body. This is this is a phenomenal body. I never really liked the style and the cut of the guitars on the EVHs when they first came out. But man, when I saw this body, I was like, holy cow, this is beautiful. And kind of changed my mind when I started watching the newer ones being played. But she's gorgeous. Let's take a look if I can get this right angle. She's matched almost perfectly and flawless. So beautiful. I just love this color on this guitar in this top. Look at that. You see the skull? You see the face? Ain't that cool? Look, he's screaming and he's just sitting there. He's screaming. Stuff you see. Ain't that gorgeous? Oh, man. This is the only reason why I'm buying this guitar, other than they play really well. But this body started this whole ordeal. So let's make her work. So the 6-way will go up in here. I'm going to want that dual concentric volume and tone here. We'll throw the kill switch in here. And then you know the rest. So if I remember right, we're talking about replacing these with a Tessie titanium saddles, but I can't remember if you had them or not. So I remember the spring plate for the Floyd Rose. Well, anyway, there she is. Just gorgeous. I wish I had a little better lighting in here, but wow. All right, over and out.